Welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Prachi Gautam, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to find freelancing client using LinkedIn. Well, this video is especially designed for the freelancers out there who are struggling to find a good client. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the exact roadmap I have followed as a freelancer that helped me get a lot of high-paid projects and clients using the power of LinkedIn. I'm sure you are also using it, but there are a few tactics and secrets that will definitely change your game. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Alright, so let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Prachi Gautam, a 6 years digital marketer, a freelancer, a business owner, and a coach. Basically, I have cultivated digital marketing to scale my business, my freelancing, and now I'm known as a coach. This all has happened because I had proven digital marketing tips that what I'm sharing from this channel. If you would like to feed yourself with a lot of freelancing and marketing tips, perfect then. I guess this is now the time for us to talk about how to find clients using LinkedIn. So first of all, I would like to mention you one thing. This is one of the biggest mistakes most of the freelancers do. Is they do not have their profile optimized, and when they are pitching to the prospects or applying for any opportunity, it doesn't look professional to the HR or the client, and they are just ignoring your profile. So first of all, you have to make your profile look professional, outstanding, and here are some advice. So first thing that you have to do is make your LinkedIn banner the headline of your profile. It means if you're a digital marketer, so make sure that your designation is written there. Your profile picture is front face and clear. Moving next, your headline. Your headline must have the keyword of your profile. Example, if you are a freelance digital marketer, so mention freelance digital marketer. If you are a content writer, freelance content writer. So please mention this specific keyword in your headline. It will also help you to become searchable. Moving next, your About Me section. This is one of the most important section that will work as a resume for a recruiter, where you can focus a little bit more about how you can help any brand, what are all your services as a solution that you're offering to a client. So don't just be generic, but you have to be a little bit more specific here. Example, if you're a content writer or a copywriter, so mention it a little bit detailed, like you can write blogs or emails or web copy, landing page. So you have to exaggerate little bit of your skills so that any visitor will have a better idea what styles of content can you write. Or if you're a digital marketer, you have to break down all the specific skills that you are a master of. Okay, and third section is your skills one, where whatever the industry knowledge, tools knowledge, or skills that you have to also portray that in this section. Make sure your profile actually reflects what you exactly do. Okay, now moving next is your content. Make sure that before you start pitching to the prospect, your profile must have at least 20 posts published. Now what this post could be about. So these are my 4 special content recommendations for you. A, you can talk about any industry survey or marketing trends. Let's say you are an SEO marketer and you just got to know that Google updated its algorithm. So speak about it. Speak about your opinion and some guidelines now needed to be followed to rank on Google. So just in case if your client is moving to your content, it will be impressive for them to see that you are well up to date with the marketing trends. My second opinion here is storytelling. We all know that LinkedIn is all about now personal branding. So you can share any inspirational journey of yours or any personal opinion here. Let's say you can talk about your story, why you chose SEO marketing, and something about your personal stuff. Now here's my third advice. Here you can include a survey and also share a quick tip. Example, you are a content writer. So you got to know about this survey that out of 100 people, only 5 of them click on your headline. It means your title needs to be perfect. So here are 5 effective tips to make your headline powerful, appealing, and click-worthy. Like this. So when any prospect will see this, they'll get to know that yes, you are sharing helpful content. So yeah, you have to set some boundaries when you are sharing your secret tips. So just remember one thing, that whenever you are sharing any quick tips or hacks, don't overshare it. You also have to save your secret tips and strategies with you. Share only what, why, and little bit of quick hacks. Okay. Now here's the 4th type of content you can share, which is the checklist to attain XYZ. Example, you are a social media marketer, so you can talk about the complete checklist to boost your reach on Instagram within 45 days, and you are sharing ABC point. So you are not telling how, but you are actually making the list complete for your prospect to understand what are the things they should actually take care of to get good reach. And I always share it to my students as well that as a freelancer, please understand that you are not a coach or a consultant. You are a marketer, you are a service provider. So just share what and why, but never share how. You have to be smart with that, okay? But make your content outstanding so that whosoever is reflecting to your profile, they should get impressed with your knowledge, okay? So this is pretty much about how you can optimize your profile. Now the time has arrived where we are going to talk about how to find the freelancing opportunity. So basically inside LinkedIn, you have two ways to find the freelance opportunity. Option A is you can pitch to the prospects, and option B is you can apply to the opportunities. Now, let me make it clear to you. Prospects, pitching to the prospects means you're directly pitching to a person. And option B is when you're applying to the opportunity. It means those company who has opened the part-time job or work from home job, you're applying there. So there are two ways, pitching to a person or applying to the opportunity. Now, I will be diving deep in both of these options and will guide you how to find the quality lead and also convert them. Alright, so first of all about the prospect. So when you are choosing this option to pitch to the prospect, you have to understand whom would you like to work with. It means you have to do a little bit of brainstorming here. Whom would you like to work with? Whom would you like to offer your services? So I will be asking you two questions and you will be able to decide your niche clients. So first question is, have you ever worked with any industry before? Maybe on different profile, not as a digital marketer, not as a graphic designer, whatever your current profile is, but you have worked before for any specific industry, maybe on a different role, on a different expertise. If yes, then it's better to work with them. I tell you why. So let me share with you my example. So I'm an engineer, okay, and I do have little bit knowledge about coding, little bit stuff about it. So when I pitched my first client, I made sure that they are the IT people. These are the IT companies because I have little bit of industry knowledge, and even as a digital marketer, I'm working for them because of the familiarity with the concept of how this business function, who are their target audience, what they do. It will be easy for me to build the marketing strategy for them. So irrespective of your role, if you have worked for any specific company or any specific niche or industry before, it's a great idea to pitch them as your current profile because you have better business understanding. So your time will not be involved in researching, your time will be involved in cultivating the strategy for them. I hope you're getting my point. Alright, now the second question I would like to ask you, are you interested in any specific niche? It means on your daily basis, is there any hobby that resonates with the industry? Example, you are a fitness freak. So maybe it would be great if you offer your service to a fitness trainer because you resonate with their business. You know exactly how workouts has been done. Then it would be great that you work for them and help them better. Example, you are interested in cooking. You love to travel. Then you can work for food bloggers or travel bloggers. So if there is any specific hobby you have, and there's a business out of it, then it would be great if you start offering your service to those specific brands. Okay, so you can decide your client before you pitch them because that's what the concept of pitching to the prospect. So once you have decided this, then what we are going to do is we are going to go to the LinkedIn. Alright, in this approach to pitch the prospects directly, what you have to do, you simply have to type here their designation. Let's say you want to work with a psychiatrist. And here we will select the filter called people. Okay, now what you have to do, you know that who will require your service, especially those people who are self-employed. It means they have their own clinic. So here you can see in the second option, this Dr. Mohit Shah, he is a self-employed person. If I tap on his profile, then I can actually deep dive into his about me section and see like what exactly he is doing. Plus through the activity I could find that he is also active on LinkedIn. Now very important thing that you have to notice is the scope of work. Let's say you want to offer him your social media marketing service. So yeah, he's active on LinkedIn. It means you can offer him LinkedIn marketing strategy because you could find that his consistency of the post is not good. He shared one post 2 weeks ago and then last one is 1 month ago. So he's not posting daily on LinkedIn, which needs to be there, so it will help him to generate more leads. It means you could find the scope of work. There's a possibility that you can offer him the LinkedIn marketing service. Now, you should also check him on Instagram if you want to offer Instagram or Facebook marketing services. So let's say I have typed on it and I found his profile here. So yeah, he's a consultant psychiatrist, Mumbai since 2011. It seems the same. It means he's also trying to promote him here as well, because some of his posts display the same thing. It means there's definitely a scope that you can offer him the social media marketing services. Same if you are an SEO marketer and you want to offer him search engine optimization service, so it's very important for him to have a website, then only you can offer, right? So now here you can also check in link in bio that he is having a website. It means SEO marketing service is also applicable to his business. So this is how you have to find a prospect. You have to check they are self-employed, also check the scope of work. I hope you're getting the point. Likewise, you can look for any specific designation people and find your true match. Alright, so this option A is for those people who have figured out whom they want to work with. But if you are clueless about your prospect and you have no idea who is your target audience, whom would you like to offer your services, don't worry about it. I also have a solution for you. How about we directly pitch to the opportunities? You're just like a water which can fit to any kind of vessel. Now, in this approach, we are going to apply to those specific opportunities shared by the companies where they're looking for the professionals like you. So there's one thing that I would like to add on. Whether you're applying to the opportunity or you are pitching to the prospect, what matters is how you pitch them, how you apply there, what message that you send. That is also known as a pitching script. The script or the message that you send to a client or when you're applying for the opportunity, that needs to be outstanding, because that particular client or that particular recruiter is getting tons and thousands of applications, but you have to stand out. That pitching script should be mind-blowing for your prospect, that will make them understand that they require you. Especially make that video on the pitching script. You will find the link in the description box also somewhere here. That will also help you understand what message should you attach along with your portfolio. Now let me share with you step by step how to filter out the right opportunities and the right way to apply. Now the second approach is looking for the directly opportunity shared by the companies. Here in the bottom you could see the option jobs. Tap on it, your designation. Suppose you are looking for copywriting job, or you can also select the location or specific city also you can go. You could find this specific opportunity, freelance content writer. This company is Cloud Eagle. If I'm tapping on it, then we will be able to see the details. So it is posted 1 hour ago, and first filter that you have to check is number of applicants. So number of applicants here are 162, which is almost higher. You should be applying to the opportunity where number of applicants are less than 100, so the competition is less, but okay, we can give it a shot. It's a remote opportunity, that's perfect for you. And here you could see that what is this job about. Here you will find the role. So they are looking for minimum 1.5 year of blog writing experience person. Now even if you are a freelancer, your portfolio is going to define your experience, so don't worry about it. If even the company is looking for 1 or 1.5 year experience person, then you can pass on your sample assignment. You can request them for it, and that will help you stand out, so don't worry about it. When they are mentioning that they are looking for 2 year 3 year experience, then I guess we can avoid that. But basically 1.5 year, it means they are definitely looking for a fresher. So should be knowledgeable and passionate about content conversion and SEO. So they're looking for SEO writer. They're looking for who can proofread the content, and editing skills should be very good, should be fluent in English, should have experience in writing short and long form content, should be expert in writing SEO focus. See, every business want an ideal person. Even if you know the 60% of the task, just go for it and apply. Don't worry about it. Okay. Likewise, you can also find other opportunities. So some of the filter areas are number of applicants. Second, job description 60%. Also, if you know, you can apply there. You can also check the company age if you want to. Now the company age is 2-year-old. It means it's a startup. So there won't be so much of restriction in the joining process, definitely you can apply here. Applying to this startup is definitely a better approach. I am not biased here, but usually they hire the open-minded people. They are very open for the freelancers, and it's easy process for you to get on board there. And when you are applying, then make sure that you are sending the request to their HR and with a sweet message that was amazing. It was a pleasure to see that you guys are hiring right now, and you can exactly use this script. Now, here's my secret tip for you to get a freelancing client using LinkedIn. A is you can also check who viewed your profile in last 1 month. If you could find that they were business owners or if they were recruiter HR, you can send them this message. And my second tip is please use the featured image section where you can pin all those victory posts, all those useful posts, your victories if you have received any award or your certification. Please pin that in the feature section so that whenever someone is seeing your profile, they can get the highlight of your achievements. But I'm not done here. This is just a glimpse about how to find a freelancing client. But if you are in a mood to work with the high paid international clients and make thousands of dollars in a month, then I have curated a complete freelancing course from where you will learn everything from how to make your digital portfolio to sample work to finding the client on Instagram, LinkedIn in more detailed way. Also how to pitch them, how to lead the discovery call, how to set up a perfect interview call with your client, how to set your prices, how to set your financial goal, and how to sign up a contract with the client, and a lot more than that. If you would like to sign up, this one is very budget friendly, only for a couple of months. So you can enjoy this launch offer. The link will be in the description box. Anyway, if you would like to get tons of freelancing and digital marketing tips on a daily basis, then don't forget to follow me on Instagram and join me on this 100k plus tribe. Perfect. So this is pretty much it. See you in the next video. Till then, slay your freelancing.